Nahugot na lang ako sa last. Hi everyone, this is Bax Incorporated and we are here to show you the tutorial about the three functions in Excel, which are
the sum function, average function, and the countif function. Okay, first, we have to open Excel, obviously. And as you can see, we've already prepared a spreadsheet of the scores of 20 students in STEM C in 3 quizzes. So first, we're going to show you how to sum in Excel. There are actually a number of ways to sum in Excel. We're just going to show you a few of them. So, the first method, select the blank cell in the first row or in the row or column below the cells that you want to sum. In this case, C24. Type in the formula. First, the equal sign, then sum. As you can see, a pop-up will appear to display a number of functions. In this case, we'll only be focusing on the sum function.
yes, mag-focus ka lang sa isa, wag sa dalawa. Kasi kung mag-focus ka sa dalawa, ano na lang yon, two-timer ka. Tapos may masasaktan yung isa. Tapos dun ka sa isa. Tapos masasaktan yung isa pa. Tapos wala ka na. Tapos pareho ka nakasakit. Ano yon, lokhan lang? Bastusan? Bastusan?
Moving on. Parenthesis. And again, as you can see, there's already a guide for you to follow. So type in the range. And by the way, this box you see is called a cell. Cells is called a range. So type in the first element of the range and drag it all the way to the last element. And then press enter. Now the second and third methods are actually easier and more efficient. Second, type in Alt and equals. Hold Alt and then press equals.
And now you see there the same formula there. Enter. You have the same answer because you have the same formula.
Third method, same with the first. Go to the cell below the cells that you want to sum. And as you can see in the Home tab, editing panel, there's the auto sum option. Just click this, then press enter. That's all for the sum function. Moving on to the average function. First method. Now there are actually two methods. The first method, type in the formula. Instead of sum, average. Type in average. And then the range, parenthesis first before the range, and then press enter. Okay. Now the second method, go to the AutoSum function and click the down arrow beside it. And as you can see, there are multiple functions. Click the average, then press enter. Drag and release. That's for the average function. Moving on to the third and final function, the countif function. There's only one method I'm going to show you. That's by typing in the formula. Equal sign, countif, parenthesis, and range, and semicolon, and then the criteria. In this case, we want to find the number of students who scored a perfect score in the first quiz. which is 25.
Perfect? Walang taong perfect, yan ang tandaan nyo. Sa quiz lang ang merong perfect, kundi walang taong perfect. Lalo na sa love. Ang perfect sa love.
Yes, and then press enter. Drag.
So we're doing the formula for the second quiz. It's a perfect score in there. 35. One, yes. Now that was the tutorial about the sum function, the average function, and the if function. And we are again Max Incorporated saying, ang love parang Excel. Helpful at kung sa tingin mo, easy gawin. Pero kapag gumagawa ka na, promise, komplikadong-komplikado to. Again, we are the Max Incorporated saying goodbye and thank you.